Right, you said you had someone close by us? Oh, there we go.
Oh, yeah.
Nope.
Right here.
Breaking here.
Yep.
Oh my god.
You got eyes on this guy's shots?
He's right here.
Well, I can't see him. I can't see him.
I can't see him either.
What the fuck? Oh, he fell to his death, but he killed me first. Like, that's bullshit.
Hey, watch out, there's another guy coming. Oh, bullshit, I saw that.
Yeah. Here, can I get a quick res by somebody? I can get my stuff. Jotsky, maybe. Or last, you want to give me a quick res?
Yeah, I'm gonna get.
Yep, they got a sniper.
I can't believe that.
I saw it too. I didn't even know where to find it.
The guy in front's hurt bad.
5 squads remaining.
I got someone climbing by me.
There's 2 bananas here. I'm about to be smushed.
Goodbye, Plumber.
Where's the other?
They're still down in the valley below. We need to wipe these guys. I don't want plumbers hanging around, or WCB.
Isn't there a guy right down here?
They just rezzed back here.
Damn it. Fucking arms. Register that I'm climbing.
Yeah.
Oh, here. He's pushing here.
4 squads remaining.
How are we gonna get across this street?
Kill him. He's the only one in the way. Last you up yet?
Yeah, just freaking climbing bullshit.
Yeah, exactly. There you are. Yep, he hopped just beyond the wall. Oh.
Teammate down.
Oh, come on. I had 5 health left for that zone grenade. There's like 3 bananas over here last. If we can get it.
Right.
They're rezzing, they're rezzing. Yeah. Oh, that's you.
Damn it. They're not in the front. Oh, they pushed back in. Damn it. Alright, coming back. By pushing here. Only did 16 on him last.
Where is he?
He's... Guy behind me here. Nice. Last one's here. That guy beat the shit out of me, so I'm gonna need...
Oh no, where is he?
He was close. I'll fly around.
Sacrifice myself.
Hell?
WCB just got knocked out.
Yeah.
You got this one guy here, I just kicked him in my zone grenade. They're shooting you up there, they think you're up there.
Ow.
You got one guy.
My zone. Last guy
Got him,
here.
Joey? Nice.
Here.
how you come back strong from a scramble.